Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly your transmission starts hesitating, shifting rough, or even going into limp mode. You grab your OBD-II scanner and it throws code P0941. This means there's a low hydraulic pressure issue in your transmission due to a problem with the hydraulic pump relay circuit. If not fixed, it can cause serious transmission failure. In this video, I'll explain what this code means, where the key components are located, and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. What is DTC P0941? DTC P0941 stands for Hydraulic Pump Relay Circuit Low Voltage. This means that the relay responsible for powering the hydraulic pump is not receiving enough voltage, leading to a drop in hydraulic pressure and poor transmission performance. Common symptoms of P0941. If your car has this code, you might experience slipping or delayed gear shifts, transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, harsh or erratic shifting, check engine, light or transmission warning light, strange noises from the transmission. Sensor and component location, very important. To diagnose and fix P0941, you need to locate these key components. Hydraulic pump relay location, usually found in the fuse box under the hood or near the transmission control module, TCM. Function, supplies power to the hydraulic pump for smooth shifting. Hydraulic pump location, inside the transmission assembly near the valve body. Function, maintains proper hydraulic pressure for gear shifting. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, typically mounted near the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, controls the relay and pump operation, wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the hydraulic pump relay, hydraulic pump, and TCM. Function, transfers power and signals for proper operation. Tip, a voltage drop in these components can trigger P0941. What causes P0941? Here are the most common causes of this code. 1. Faulty hydraulic pump relay, failing to supply enough power. 2. Blown fuse or corroded wiring, causing low voltage to the relay. 3. Weak hydraulic pump, not generating enough pressure. 4. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect signals. 5. Low transmission fluid, reduces hydraulic pressure. How to fix P0941? Follow these steps to troubleshoot and repair the issue. Step 1. Inspect the hydraulic pump relay. Swap it with another relay of the same type in the fuse box. If the problem disappears, replace the faulty relay. Step 2. Check the fuses and wiring. Look for blown fuses, loose connections, or damaged wires. Repair or replace any corroded connectors. Step 3. Test the hydraulic pump. Start the engine and listen for a whining or buzzing noise from the transmission. If the pump is silent, it may need replacement. Step 4. Scan for other transmission codes. If other TCM-related codes appear, you may need to reprogram or replace the TCM. Step 5. Reset the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and monitor performance. Final words. Ignoring P0941 can lead to serious transmission damage. Make sure to check the relay, wiring, and hydraulic pump to keep your car shifting smoothly. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0748. Pressure control solenoid electrical P0749. Pressure control solenoid intermittent. This is IG Garage. Your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.